Well, this was supposed to be part 1, but somehow it ended up being part 2. But anyways, enjoy the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So while we wait for some parts to come in, we're gonna go ahead and replace the airbags, which will be the right and the left roof airbags. Let's get to work. So the trunk is full of, I don't even know what this is. My son is gonna be cleaning that up while I'll be changing the airbags. Let's get to work. Alright, so what we're gonna do is pull the headliner out. Should be pretty easy because it's only like a square looking thing. We'll just have to leave it like this because it looks too wide, doesn't have room to come out, so we'll just work around it. Let's unbolt the airbags. So we got the old bags out. Here are the new ones. Here is all the crap from the trunk. Looking new. Now we're about to install new airbags. Side is done. Now we do the driver's side. So we got the left airbag in. Now we're gonna put the headliner back. Yeah. So we got the roof airbags replaced, put everything back, looking good. So next we are going to pull out the SRS module, which is behind there. What we'll do is pop this off, same thing on the other side, and then I'll show you what to unscrew behind there. Now we pop this piece out. And then you see that's the SRS ECU. It's a little pain in the butt to get to. You got one bolt here, one bolt over there, and one on the other side. So let's unscrew these two here and move on to the other side. What I do is there is this like a bracket type of thing that's holding some wires above the SRS module. It's holding on by a 10 right there and 2 on the other side. So what I do is I unscrew it so it's kind of loose, so you have more room to get to the bolts, the SRS bolts. Got one. So now this is a little bit, got a little movement. We'll go to the other side, take the covers off, and unscrew those two 10s so this one can move up and we have more room. So we'll take this one off and this one off. We'll probably just clip this one and get this one out, because it was a pain in the butt to get it out on the other side, because it's all one piece right here and the seat won't let it. There's no room. All we need is room on the other side, because those two bolts are the hottest. And that is all. Okay, and here are the two 10s, one here, holding this bracket that's on top of the SRS module. We'll go ahead and unscrew them. There you are. Now you can move it. We'll go to the other side, unscrew the two bolts. They are the hardest for the SRS module. It would be best thing if you would have a cordless ratchet like this. This is the best, because you'll be here forever trying to get that bolts out. Because there is no space for the ratchet at all. And this is the bolts that hold in it. 3 of them. It is T30. There's the second one. Now what you're going to need to do before you unscrew the third one is unplug the plug from this side and then the other plug from the other side. That way you have leverage, it's still screwed down. You can pop that thing and push with like a screwdriver or a clip remover. We unplug the plugs, so now we move on to the other side. Unscrew the third bolt for the SRS module. And we got it. Here is the third one. Now we can pull the SRS module out. And there you have it. Now we'll take it to get it reset. And that is how you take out the SRS module. It's not that bad, but there's no space for anything. If you like the videos, please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. Peace out, everybody.